Ernst is a family-owned business. They've been around since 1946. We were using a competitor of y'all's, but we were having a problem with the system not capturing two major events that result in very large lawsuits. The impact of not capturing large events or any event is you don't have that product to defend yourself. More times than not, the accidents are very defendable. We were not at fault. The AI technology and the quality of the system is very, very good. We have 81% reduction in falling events, 97% reduction in phone events. In distraction, we have 98% as well. I've never seen a reduction like this within 13 months. And with the AI technology, you can pick those up, can coach, can design training programs for those individuals that need a little bit more training. We're using the videos that we download as far as defense. So it provides a good defense, good quality product to give to our attorneys for lawsuits. As far as our losses, I think it's approximately $1.3 million a year. And then if you look at direct costs, if you look at indirect costs, or the trucks, would be down, you have a driver out of work, you have management involved in claims and lawsuits. Usually you can save 4 times that. So that's another, $5.2 million. So you're looking at overall about $6.5 million, or return on investment, maybe 2,000%.